Hey guys, I wanted to do a little lesson over adding on a hundreds chart. So I made a couple of notes here at the beginning. These are important. Whenever we're adding one or a number in the one spot, we are going to be moving to the right. And whenever we're adding 10 or a number in the 10 spot, we're going to be moving down. So for my first problem, 23 plus 44, I'm going to circle my starting point. The first number is my starting point, so I'm going to start at 23. I'm going to find 23 on my chart, and I'm going to circle that as well. The next thing I'm going to do is find out how many 10s I have. So in this problem, we have two 4s, but that first 4 there is in my 10 spot, and that tells me how many times I need to move down. So I'm moving down 4 times. We don't count the first spot, so we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm at 63, and now I'm going to move, and I'm going to find out how many 1s I have, which I have 4 1s. So I'm going to move 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives me my final answer here, which is 67. So my next problem looks a little different, but it's actually the same thing. They have just moved the numbers around a little bit. So I have 17 plus 51. So I'm going to start with my 17. So I'm going to go find 17 on my numbers chart, and I'm going to circle that. Now I need to figure out how many 10s do I have and how many spots I need to move. So the 5 is in my 10 spot. That tells me to move down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to circle. I'm at 67 now. And then I'm going to look at my 1 spot, which in this case, I'm just going to move 1 spot to the right. And that's going to give me my answer. So my answer for this problem is going to be 68. Let's do one more problem together. So we have 28 plus 21. So my starting point here is going to be 28. I'm going to go find 28, and I'm going to circle that one. I then need to find the number that is in my 10 spot. That's going to be my 2. So that tells me I need to move down 2 times. 1, 2. And then I'm going to look at my 1 spot. That's going to be 1, and that tells me to move to the right 1 time. So my answer for this problem is going to be 49. Remember, you guys, if you were to get to the end of a line, so say I was doing 68 plus 5. So I'm at 68 and I need to move over 5. I'm going to go 1, 2, and then you actually have to go all the way down to the next line. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it would go all the way over to 73. Don't forget to go down a line when you reach the end.